to you to kick him out, or was it supposed to
He
be left to the
didn't
IEBC?
kick him out.
But
we did.
we have just told him to get out. Yes.
Did you raise the matter to IEBC?
To IEBC.
Yeah.
Yes, but the guy is there. The guy is just meek. They are doing nothing. The presiding officer is behaving like a cow.
Party leader, you also don't have a badge. Are you also authorized to be here?
I'm a party leader. I'm the party leader. Yes. It's not even a matter of conjunction.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And have you seen
There's enough.
have you seen any other similar situation in another police
Or
station?
any other concerning situations?
Other stations which are
Enough.
other stations which are vested are okay. We have not seen this kind of thing.
Thank you.
Yes.
Do you know the name of the member that you've chased out?
Kiroga. I know him. Since a boy, there are those guys I see. You always see them at State House waiting for handouts from William Ruto. Ni kijana ni mtu ya kupewa chai hawa, namjua sana. Ni kijana toka Nyeri.
Thank you very much. That's the situation. There's been some drama here at Chicago Social Hall here in Mbeere North constituency, and we've just seen some drama of a member, an MCA, reportedly from Nyeri County, being chased out of the social hall. He was wearing the UDA party colors. He had a yellow jacket and, of course, yellow trousers as well, as he was observing, or actually standing next to the queue where the voters were voting. And the accusations here are that he was trying to bribe and, of course, influence the voters to vote in a particular way. I just want to show you right inside there. We expect that the UDA candidate, who is Leonard Muriuki Wamudende, should be coming here anytime from now to cast his vote, and we are told that he will be accompanied by some other members of the UDA party and some of his supporters to come here and cast his vote. We expect that this should be the first main candidate who will be voting. We'll also be having karaoke, rather Karish, the candidate for the Democratic Party, Newton Karish, will also be voting later on at around 12 p.m., where he has actually sent out an update that he should be preparing to cast his vote at a polling station known as Karambari Primary School, not so far from here. And Justin Muturi voted early morning at around 7 a.m. thereabout at another station just some kilometers away from here. And this has been the situation. It has been quite peaceful until this very moment when the party leader for the Democratic Party, Justin Muturi, walked in and chased out one of the agents. He says he's an agent of the UDA candidate here in Mbeere North constituency.
Kau na korea Mbeere North na wakeigwo muthuri ti JB Muturi arorio baji eko no yakauga the party leader kwi mawatho maria makubataranagia riu ndakirigwo ti kuingataga MCA no tondu ndigutia tukiwonde nwe wa mugweta riu ni hatubati kuga atiri ona the party leader ona ni ri ndina kindu kironania ndi mutongoria wa kĩama iro candidate no wake